how to run Python code on your iPhone. Now you can use this method if you want to learn Python but you don't have a PC or a laptop and you just want to learn. So you can just code on your mobile phone too, and I'll teach you guys how to do that. But before that, if you're new to our channel, just go down below, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us start. First, what you want to do is download an app. Now I'll show you which app that is. Just open up your app store or your Play Store, whatever works, and search for Python 3. Now after you type that, you need to just scroll down till you find this option right here. Now this is called Python 3 IDE, and just download it. You can see the app right here. It's like this. Its interface is like this. Now after you download it, just open it up. And after you open up, this is the initial page. Now here you can create a new file, you can open a file, you can open a folder, you can clone repositories, open examples, and so much more. We're just gonna open a new file for now. And here you can see different Python languages that you can just learn. Now we're gonna tap on Python, and this will just open up a file. Now here you can see that it says print hello world. Now just tap on this play button right here and it will just run the command, and there you can see it's printed hello world right there. So that is pretty much it. That is how you run Python code, and you can even learn to code on your mobile phone. I hope you found this video helpful, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.